Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would be telling you about the testing job opportunities and the walk-in drive that will be happening on the weekend of 23rd of August. So first of all, there is a walk-in drive that is going to happen on 23rd of August, and the company name is LTIMINDTREE. This mega drive would be for the Kolkata location. The timings are 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and they are looking for the automation test engineers, someone who is having Java, Selenium, and rest assured experience 3 to 12 years, someone who can collaborate with development teams to ensure robust test coverage and integrate with CI/CD pipeline. Then C Sharp with Selenium, 3 to 12 years, again, create and execute automated test scripts using Selenium and C Sharp. Then skill set 3 is there, Python with Selenium, 3 to 12 years, and they are looking for someone who can design test cases, manage test data, Playwright with JavaScript, TypeScript, 3 to 12 years. So this is again with respect to the skill set 4 and skill set 5, Tosca test automation, 3 to 12 years, and Salesforce test automation. So there are multiple skill sets of the automation test engineers that this company is hiring for. And it's a mega walk-in drive. So if you have any of the skill set and you have experience in the range of 3 to 12 years, you can apply for this particular company, and you can share your resume at this email address. Then Lumino Guru Private Limited is hiring for multiple positions, senior QA manual tester and Node.js developer. The location is Mohali, phase 8B. And if you're interested, you can share your updated resume at this email address. Then Epital Technologies is hiring for an automation test engineer, and the experience required is 5+ years. Location is Hyderabad, Bangalore. Immediate to 15 days, and job description is automation testing, Java, Selenium, API, Postman, REST Assured, Cucumber, TestNG. So if you're interested, you can share your CV at this email address. Ultimetric company is hiring for Scrum Masters and QA lead immediate joiners. Scrum Masters 10 to 15 years immediate only. And mandatory skills are CSM plus agile methodologies, SAFe certified plus DevOps knowledge is required. Location is Pune and Chennai. QA lead 10 to 14 years of experience immediate only. And mandatory skills are Java plus Selenium plus automation plus BDD plus API testing. Location is Pune and Chennai. Then there is a requirement for 100% remote role, manual QA, and you can share your CV at this email address. So they are looking for someone who is having exposure to A by B testing and work alongside designers, developers, and marketers, 100% remote with supportive and growth oriented team. So these are few of the job opportunities for testing, and let us know if you need further updates. And don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe our channel, because these all kind of information are shared absolutely free of cost with you. We're not charging anything. So request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.